Hey you guys, Jinzo here.
And Avenged Angel.
Today we're going to be doing a live reaction to the ban list. I saw that Mermaid's ban, DC put it as its thing, so let's get started. Let's see. And moving this. God Dragon, what? I'm getting ahead of myself there. So, God Dragon, where is it? There we go. God Dragon, Agsporan. I think that's the one that, like, Joshua Summons from the extra deck, which kind of kills God Dragons. Sure, there's other combos you can link spam with, but as far as ending with a negation, that's not going to be possible anymore. How do you feel about this ban?
I don't know.
She doesn't know God Dragons too well.
I don't really know that deck too well.
Ugh, sorry about that. My nose is like itchy. Like I said, I already knew Nightmare Mermaid. Fun fact: we have a cat in the background, photobombing us. Secondly, oh man, my nose is itchy.
I don't feel like this is gonna do anything.
No,
it's just not.
So
Sky Strikers, Orcas, they're not hurt at all by this.
Well, the Sky Strikers aren't, but anywho, yeah. There's a Royal Orcas build that I was working on. Just in the off chance of Mermaid did get down, I didn't think it would, but it did. So, but I did come up with a deck list that uses like connector. Basically, you turbo out Isold into Armageddonite, and Armageddonite dumps Horde. Horde banishes 7 Skeleton from the deck, link into the and you just keep going off like you normally would.
So, it works very, very well too.
It's very consistent. It's crazy good. Bans. It looks like that's only called a ban. Small ban list.
Just a slap on the wrist, basically. Not even though.
Limits. Widow Anchor to 1. Okay. It's still searchable with the 3 engage, and you can get it back with Kagari, and you can get it back with Multi-Roll over and over again. So Widow Anchor to 1 really doesn't do anything except make it once per turn, kind of.
Yeah, I didn't feel like it really did anything for Sky Strikers.
Yeah, it just doesn't do anything. That's fine though. I'm glad it doesn't do anything. I don't like decks being hit to be unplayable. Limited none. Dogo Dragon's back at 2. She knows that I love Teledad, so she's shaking her head.
I hate that deck so much.
I love Teledad. So what are we missing? Emergency teleport, I think. Sorry about that, y'all guys. That's the only card coming off. Yeah. So. Oh man, I'm happy. I'm like I play Danger Dark Worlds, and you can put Dark on Dragon.
He's going to play literally everything that he can play it in.
I could play in the Orcas actually, because they banish a lot. Like they manipulate the graveyard quite a bit. Put something in Dark on Dragon. It's easy, and then going back up the graveyard after you get the 3 Darks in grave. Bada bang, bada boom. Pop everything off, and swing for game. OT game. So that's awesome. I'm really excited about Dark Armed. I'm actually just in my head right now thinking of a Teledad deck list off the top of my head. Double Dark Armed Dragon, 3 Shadows, 2 Shadow Mist, 2 Malicious isn't on here, so it must be a 3. I didn't see it in anything, so cool. 3 Malicious, Dark Grapple, Armageddonite, Connectors, obviously, Aqua Dolphin, Kraybon, Plague Spreader Zombie, Destrudo, Sephiroth the Elite, 3 Ash Blossom, Reborn. Anyway, she's getting annoyed. I'm good like that. It's ridiculous off the top of my head. Chaos Imp at 3. Holy shit! For you guys who
That's
don't,
very exciting.
this card hasn't been. This card got hit back in 2003, and
Honestly,
so
they could have been done brought it back, to be honest.
yeah, it isn't as good as it used to be. Even with before the Errata, it wasn't that great, and with the Errata, it's horrible. So I don't know. Chaos Dragons, God Dragons, maybe can play it, but I don't know. Destiny and Malicious. Ether the Heavenly Monarch. For you guys who don't remember, I do play Monarchs in real life.
For you Monarchs players.
What?
For you Monarchs players.
So the only thing Monarchs are missing now is Panicism is still at 1. Maybe next list we'll get it back. Elemental Ocean. She hates Monarchs. She hates Vanity's Fiend plus Vanity's Fiend plus March. It's annoying to go against turn 1, to be fair. Destiny of Shadows. How do you feel about .com? You already said you don't like that, right?
I mean, I don't like it if I'm playing against it. I like it if I'm playing it.
Oh, of course you do. So, what do you think of Imp?
I mean, they could have done brought it off the list. I mean, it's not that great nowadays.
Malicious?
I'm actually stoked about Malicious coming off the list.
It wasn't hit not long ago. It was Skokie, wasn't it?
It was
Like so, a year and a half ago.
Yeah. Yeah.
You know how many times Malicious has been on the list since 2008?
A lot.
No,
Yu-Gi-Oh!
since
Players
2007.
can't have nice things.
No, we can't. So it got hit. Originally, it got semi. It always gets semi-limited too. It's never been at 1. It's always been at 2 or 3. It's never been banned or whatever. It's one of those things where it's like you can't limit it because then you make it completely unplayable. So it's one of those cards. It's like Reborn Tengu even, where you can't limit it. It's not ban worthy. But sometimes it does cause issues at 3, so you have to like keep it at 2. I don't know. I honestly don't know how I feel with that. Ether. What do you think about Ether Devil Monarch?
I mean, it's not that bad.
Stratos? Free my nigga Stratos? It was a meme.
Well,
they finally freed it, so yeah, you don't know. I honestly don't think Shadows is gonna be that great. Heroes aren't that great.
I mean, it's not 2006,
5,
whatever.
It actually was really a good deck for a long time. It lasted for 6 years.
Well, nowadays, I just don't see elemental heroes being that great.
And even if you did play heroes, it'd be Dark Law Turbo, which doesn't play Shadows. There's no way to play Shadows. Insector Dragonfly. Ooh, Dark Law Dragon.
I am excited for Insectors coming back.
Yeah, so Insectors, I think, are like full power now.
So yeah, that is gonna be awesome.
Insectors are at full power. I don't know how great they're gonna be, but they are at full power. So, true. The strategy of the strategist of Netcross. She didn't play during Netcross format, and she hasn't really seen too much of Netcross format. I know she likes Netcross.
I do like Netcross himself, and I am really excited for that card coming back.
What's still hit on Netcross? Netcross Unicorn is limited. Yeah, Netcross Unicorn is like the only card in this.
So it's almost at full power, basically.
Yeah.
Nice.
Elchidal Construct. I don't know how I feel about Construct. I hate that card so much, and I think it's kind of an unfair card still, but I just think that Shadal's a passive fine.
I don't see it being
that great.
As good as it was back when it was banned.
People could
or limited, I should
play
say.
it depending on the format, people can play it in they can tech Shadals with super polish, so that is a thing I worry about. Royal Tribute. Do you know that card? Do you remember?
I don't remember what it does.
If you control Necrophaly, Both players discard all monsters in their hand.
I could see it being played in Dark Worlds.
No.
Maybe.
What would you play in Dark Worlds? You have to have Necrophaly out.
Oh, yeah.
So you can't get Gaffa back.
I don't really...
With the format the way it is, Sky Strikers is the best deck still, right? Royal English going to one didn't really do much. No, I think August is the best deck. The problem with that, though, is that August wants to be in the graveyard. They want their shit in the graveyard anyway, so that doesn't do you any good. And the only Sky Striker card, the only monsters that Sky Strikers really play are Hand Traps and then Ray. And Ray can special summon itself from the graveyard, so I don't see that being that great. Against Sky Strikers, Solomon Grace wants to be in the graveyard. What's another good deck right now? There's other decks, but the top 3 decks right now just really want things in the graveyard. The Royal Tribute at 3 isn't really that great right now. I can see it in the future maybe, but Super Rejuvenation. Do you remember why I told you this was banned? What got it banned?
I don't remember.
Dragon Rulers. This card was banned around 2013 in the first version, Dragon Rulers 1.0, the original Dragon Ruler deck list before it went to the Dragunity Rafine build of it. It was like a plant Dragon Ruler build going around. This was awesome to see. And then it was Lightsworn. There was like 3 versions of Dragon Rulers. Anyway, this was in the original build. All the Dragon Rulers are banned except Tempest and the babies. So I don't think Dragon Rulers are really gonna be able to abuse it. It's weird because it went like from banned to 3. That's crazy. Is there a new Dragon deck? Oh, there is. I think that we're getting the stuff for the Dragon Link deck, and it might be used with Super Poly. I think it could use Super Poly. They might be bringing it back off the list completely, so that way they can people have a way to abuse it. I don't know. I'm kind of worried about Super Poly because not Super Poly, but Super Reju, just because there was back in the day, and I don't know how great it will be, but it might be a lot better now. Sorry about that. It might be a lot better now, but there was a Exodia build. It was called Deep Draw Exodia. You use things like and we got new cards for it now, which makes it even better. But you use shit like called Coincidence, to discard Dragon Tenders. You use stuff like Hand Destruction, which makes you discard cards to draw cards. You had a lot of dragons, so you played Trade In, and you discard things like Blue Eyes White Dragon. And then, like, at the end phase, you Super Poly the rest of your deck out. You'll just call, like...
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, you'll just call, you'll just call, 10 dragons in a turn, and then Super Poly. Super Rejuvenate back for 10. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoy. Thumbs up, subscribe, everything. Before I forget, I'm going to apologize real quick for not uploading. My laptop is still on the fritz. Something going on with my battery on my laptop. I don't know what, but I'm having to find a replacement battery for my laptop. So, on top of that, we have our anniversary coming up, and we have a religious holiday coming up, and there was something else. Oh yeah, and we're trying to move. So
working on it anyway.
Yeah, and all of this takes up a lot of time and energy, and we're at the end of the day. And, but I'm gonna try to keep uploading more and more. I have a lot of deck ideas for y'all guys coming up. So anyway, I'll catch you guys later. This is the Jinzo
And Avenged Angel
signing out. Bye. Have a good day.